What's up, guys? Just did a ballast replacement in this light this morning. The lights are off at the wall. I'm just finishing up for the display. This is a new ballast. I got it out of another fixture. Make sure everything's tapped up. Get the ballast cover back on and turn it on. I did have the power off when changing out the ballast. Just need to slap the ballast cover back on. And I put the light bulbs in it. Just a note, guys, make sure the light's off when you're working on them. Get the first one in. So what you do is you just rotate the bulb. You put one end in, and you put the other end in. How you do it. Just to show you what you do when you're replacing these is you rotate the bulb. I call it turn, and you just pull out like that. It should just come out pretty easy. If your ballast is not bad, then it's probably one of your sockets, or it's the bulb or the starter. Depends on what type of light it is. This one was just the ballast. Here's the old ballast. This light's obviously had two ballasts replaced because there's a Phillips one in there. These are 1940s fluorescent lights with T8 bulbs. They've been converted to T8. A lot of people will be like, you could just convert it to LED. I'm not really keen on LEDs. Make sure it's in there. Turn it on. This was the side that was bad. Sometimes these lights take a while to turn on, but put that one on. There it is. Get the other one on there. There we go. Sometimes it's a little tricky, but got it. It's up and running again. This was the side that was bad. Working good. Just make sure it's not touching the middle. Making sure it's not done wrong. So. It's good. Good for another 80 years. These lights are made in 1940s. And this one's perfectly good again. So, this burnt out like 4 years ago, so back in 2017, the power went out one day and shorted the ballast out. Finished up a ballast replacement. There we go. Looks better. What you can say about that? Some cool white. This one over here is daylight. They are quite tricky to turn on, but it's just how they are. It's quite cold at the moment, so they're kind of tricky to get on. But on preheat lights do that all the time. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Turn on post notifications for more videos, and peace out.